Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 011, Arithmetic, Section 4.2, Problem 10. This is Section 4.2, Problem 10. It said the given triangles are similar. Find the length of the unknown side. So the unknown side was just labeled as n. How long is n? So you make a ratio of the matching sides. So from the left triangle, you can say 9 to n is equal to, so then you match the bottom sides the same way, 12 to 8. And now where we have two fractions that are equal with an unknown portion, you just cross multiply. So you'll say 9 times 8, and the other way, 12 times n. And they should be equal. So 12 times n is 12n, 9 times 8 is 72. And now to find the value of the n, you divide away the number in front. So you would have 72 divided by 12, which is 6. So n is 6. The length of the unknown side is 6.